The Caucasian Shepherd Dog is one of the most powerful and impressive dog breeds in the world. This strong and fearless breed comes from the Caucasus Mountains, located between Europe and Asia. For centuries, these dogs protected livestock, farms, and families from wolves and intruders. They worked in harsh weather conditions, including snow, wind, and extreme cold. Because of this, they became incredibly resilient and brave. Today, the Caucasian Shepherd is known as a true guardian. With its massive body, thick fur, and confident posture, this dog looks like a living fortress. However, behind this powerful appearance is a calm, intelligent, and loyal companion. Caucasian Shepherds form deep emotional bonds with their owners. Once they trust someone, they remain loyal for life. This breed is naturally alert and cautious around strangers. This makes them excellent guard dogs, but early training and socialization are very important. From a young age, they must learn how to behave around people and other animals. These dogs need calm, confident, and consistent leadership. They respect owners who are fair, patient, and firm. Harsh training methods do not work with this breed. Positive reinforcement and clear boundaries bring the best results. Because of their size and strength, Caucasian Shepherds need space. They are not suitable for small apartments. They feel happiest in large yards, farms, or rural areas. They enjoy having territory to protect. Regular exercise is important, but they are not extremely active dogs. They prefer calm walks, short training sessions, and relaxed time with their family. Mental stimulation is also essential. Puzzle toys, obedience training, and daily routines help keep them balanced. Their thick double coat protects them from cold and rain. However, it requires regular grooming. Brushing several times per week helps keep their fur healthy and clean. During shedding seasons, more frequent brushing is needed. Despite their independent nature, Caucasian Shepherds are very affectionate with their families. They can be gentle, caring, and emotionally sensitive. With proper upbringing, they become excellent companions and protectors. This breed is not for everyone. It requires responsibility, experience, and long-term commitment. But for the right owner, the reward is priceless. A well-trained Caucasian Shepherd becomes a loyal friend, a fearless guardian, and a devoted family member. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more amazing dog breed videos.